Hi, this is Rebecca Totilo with Aroma Hut Institute, and today I want to share another basic recipe that you can use for making your own essential oil blends. Now, these recipes are built on blending by note technique, but you can use any method you choose, blending by chemistry or blending by botany, or just simply putting some things together that you really like to make your own formula. That's the basic rule that we're following here in this blend. Today I want to share with you how to make a basic hand lotion or a hand oil recipe blend. So these are really easy to follow basic recipe directions. You can modify them, of course, to your own specs. Now, for making a hand lotion blend, you can customize the formula using your own oils and your favorite carrier oil. But in this recipe, what I want to suggest that you use is a 1/2 ounce of almond oil, or you can use an unscented lotion. You're going to be adding 3 drops of a top note essential oil, 2 drops of a middle note essential oil, and then 1 drop of your base note essential oil. In this particular case, this is a very small amount, so we're only going to be using a 15 ml glass bottle, but you can use something a little bigger if you need to. Now, what do you need to do? Well, first you want to take your glass bottle and you're going to add your essentials to it, starting with the base note, followed by the middle note, and then finally adding your top note essential oils. We use that order because we want to build upon it 1 drop at a time, not overwhelming our senses or overwhelming or too powerful. So we want to just add 1 drop at a time, stir it up or shake it up and just smell it and make sure you like it before you add your carrier oil to it. And that way you can get it just right, because you may not want to add this many drops. You might want to add a few more of something else. Then you're going to be adding your carrier oil. Now in this case, you can use almond carrier oil, or you might want to use another carrier oil. And then you're going to shake your oils together in the bottle, put the cap on. You're going to want to wash your hands before using it. Then you can massage just a few drops into your hands. You could even add this oil on maybe at night and wear gloves on your hands to retain the oil and to help soften your skin and maybe help with that age or drying and help soften that skin. Let me know how this recipe works for you and leave it in the comments below.